Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela. Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills, shibynta jong ke jingkynmawburom ke jingiaidlynti, bahnyo phulai tylli ke snem jong ke Seng, ya ke balatip ka Foundation Day mynta ke sngi ke khatway tarik unai wing ar ke pynlong ya ke jingiakynduhlang kyrpang ha District Headquarter Jowai. Ha ke jingialang bala pyniaid Adiam U Bthuh, District Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills, katkum ka rukom dustur jong ka Seng ki dkhot ki iashimbynta ban rwai ya ka presong bat pinkut pat da ka rwai ya ka National Anthem. Hakate ka jingiakynduhlang na lor ki Scouts and Guides ki Rovers ki Rangers bat ki unit leaders laiwan iashimbynta lang ru Vice President ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills S.Tariang kum ka kongsan bat D.E.Pariat principal ka Pearl Secondary School Mukla kumusembut kongsan haringkat ka jingiaidlynti ka Rosie Bang ka DOC Guides bat Carefully Gassah DOC Scout D.E.Pariat habakren ulapun Kynmaw ke jinglong kyrpang jong ka ni ka sngi bat dkhot bat weru ya ki para dkhot ba ken yashim ka jingkynmawburom ha ka ban le iki kamba bha na ka banta ka imlang salang jong ka ri bat ka jaj ban riu.
Scout and Guide. So we are very glad that we could make this program and we could organize this program, even though
I would also like to thank our chief guest of this day, Ma'am S.Tariang. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your time and giving us the speech that I think we needed at this hour. And I like to thank
Education Department. The E.Pariat award kami the Best Teachers Award. And you are District Award Teachers and you are State and you are National.
Resource pool that can undertake massive transformation if it is so decide.
Yeah.
we as Scout and Guides, we should remember the main objectives of Scout and Guides. Even Rangers and Rovers, the same objectives. What is the objectives of Bharat Scout and Guides? Is to develop the character of boys and girls and to make them good citizens. It's this to maintain all these things in order to have a good character, to build a good character and also to become the good citizens of our country. Because through Foundation Day, we learned that the two Scouts Association, the Hindustan and the Boy Scout of India, joined together, merged on the 7th of November 1950. Now 72 years passed away. It is 73. We are celebrating the 73 Foundation Day or a flag day, we say. That's why we are selling this flag in order to promote the community development and activities that we can create, we can make, we can help other people, because that is a pledge that reminds us that we are to hold our hands together, to join our hands together, to help the poor Indian people, to serve them and to help them. So with this, may God bless us, all of you. So I release this flag in the name of Bharat Scout and Guides.